Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you all the easiest doubles chana recipe that you'll make. This is going to be made in my sim pot or my Instapot, and it's really easy to put together and you do not need to soak the grains ahead of time. So to start, I'm going to go into my sim pot with the washed chana. You want to always make sure and wash your legumes before using it. You can see here that the grains are dried. Next, I'm going to go in with some washed split peas or dal, and you can use the green or the yellow, whichever one you have. Go in with some chopped onions, minced garlic, pimento peppers chopped, green seasoning, salt to taste, some duck and goat curry powder, some baking soda, not baking powder guys, the secret is that baking soda, and I'm going to cover with 6 cups of water. It's just enough we'll need for 2 cups of chana. Mix and then cover your pressure cooker. Now I'm using the pressure setting on this, which is 35 minutes. The link to purchase this specific pressure cooker will be down in the description box. Once it's finished and you let out the steam, then you can open the machine. This is what it looks like. You see how the grains have plumped up and it's properly cooked. All I have to do now is use the back of my spoon to mash down on some of the grains, and it's going to help this get that creamy consistency that doubles is known for. And that's it. The doubles is ready. Well, the doubles chana is ready. So all you have to do is taste and adjust your salt, and then this is ready to be served. You can check out my other doubles recipe videos for the bara recipe. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to leave me your comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.